My name is Elaine Irvin, and I'm the climate change intern here at Assateague Island National Seashore. I do a really wide variety of stuff. One of my main projects I've been doing is taking topographic profiles of the beach on different transect lines up and down Assateague Island. I also do a lot of things with aquatic resources. We also deploy data sondes out in the bay in 3 different areas, and that also measures like water quality.
My name is Victor Graz, and I am the George Melendez Wright Citizen Scientist Intern. The goal is for me to kind of develop a strong citizen science program that goes along with not only the existing plots that the park has, but also the plan to expand the program to some vital areas of the park. I just finished up my student teaching, and I teach earth and environmental science, so clearly climate change is a huge part of that. And since I'll be working with students, I'm always interested in ways for students to be doing real science. And so this was kind of a neat opportunity to learn what the park was doing. How does phenology work? I mean, how do they collect data? And how can I kind of use this with my students?
My name is Carly Milletz. I am a PhD student at the University of Maryland and an intern at the Smithsonian. I am a fellow. My research is on amphibian declines. I am working in Shenandoah National Park, where there has been some indication that salamander populations may be declining, and so we are interested in what's causing the declines. I'm sampling the microbial community on these salamanders' skin to see how the microbes may change due to climate change, or if disease is in the mix, or if climate change is actually causing disease to increase. One of the advantages of the fellowship is that I get to present some of the data that I'm collecting at national conferences. I will be going to a conference, World Congress of Herpetology, to present some of the data that I found that being funded by the fellowship.
My name is Shuyao Hong. I'm currently an undergraduate student at George Mason University, and my major is geography. For this internship project, I'm working with the National Mall and Memorial Park to measure the sea level rising in the park sites, especially the East Potomac Park, tidal basins, and West Potomac Park. We already produced some very high quality informative map showing the impact of sea level rise. And the result is not a good news. Actually, a number of parks and memorials will be heavily influenced by the rising sea level, especially during hurricane events. I think the best part is I keep learning how to do the actually GIS projects in real world. You know, in classroom, we learn some GIS softwares by the step-by-step instructions. But this is not really what you may do when you get a job. So when doing this internship, there are lots of process and softwares I have never been used before. I may not even heard of it, but I have to do it in order to accomplish the goal of this project.